Breaking news, we have received reports that a gigantic storm is forming in the United States. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for the United States. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for El Reno, Oklahoma, until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a 2.6-mile-wide tornado has been spotted 1 mile west of El Reno, moving east at 6 miles per hour. This tornado is confirmed to be from a Roblox game called Tornado Alley Ultimate, and this tornado is confirmed to be unstoppable. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. The tornado is gone. All residents are free to exit their shelters now. However, it would take years to repair the damage from the tornado. Normal programming will resume.